Hello, in this video I'm going to go through part F of question 1 on the 2011 math paper. So in this question they want to know when is this equation a circle when theta is between 0 and pi. Well, first let's write this so that it looks more like the equation of a circle. So if I complete the square on the x terms and also on the y terms, we find that x squared plus 4x cos theta is equal to this, and similarly for y squared plus 8y sine theta. And so if we substitute these into here, let me call this star, this is the equation that we end up with, and that's just by substituting these in for the x squared plus 4x cos theta and y squared plus 8y sine theta. And let's just take these terms that don't have any x or y's in to the other side of the equation. So we have this x plus 2 cos theta squared plus y plus 4 sine theta squared is equal to this right hand side, and I've just split up the 16 sine squared theta. So we can see now we have 4 sine theta plus 4 cos squared theta. So if I factorize the 4 out, we can see that we've got 4 times sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, we know is just 1. So here we've got a 4 minus 10. So this right hand side actually is 12 sine squared theta minus 6. Okay, so we see we've rearranged star to look like this. And if this were the equation of a circle, then we would have the circle center being minus 2 cos theta minus 4 sine theta, and the 12 sine squared theta minus 6 would be its radius squared. So we want to know for which of these ranges of theta do we get, is this the equation of a circle? Well, the center of the circle doesn't pose any restrictions, but we do need the radius to be greater than 0, which means we need this right hand side to be greater than 0. So if we try to solve this, we're going to have sine squared theta, we want sine squared theta greater than half. And so if we square root this, taking care with the negatives, then we get that sine theta is either greater than 1 over root 2 or it's less than minus 1 over root 2. And well, if we think, remember we only want theta between 0 and pi, so if we look at what sine theta looks like in that region, we see that sine theta is always positive. So we know that the condition we want to satisfy is sine theta to be greater than 1 over root 2. Okay, so when is that going to happen? We have that sine theta is going to be equal to 1 over root 2 when theta is pi over 4, or which is this point, or pi minus pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4, which is this point here. And we can see from this graph that sine theta is going to be greater than 1 over root 2 when it's between these values of theta. And so we want theta between pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4, and we see that that is answer B.